more thrilled to welcome you all to Marketed by Radisson Dabao's most awaited highlight of the season. Okay, highlight of the season. The Christmas tree lighting ceremony!
Just like that, the holiday season is upon us once again, filled with the familiar hustle and bustle, cheerful laughter, and the delightful aroma of the festive feast. This year, we proudly present you the theme, Pointed Frost and Crystal Soiree, through a heartfelt tagline, a sparkle of joy, a glow of giving. This celebration and beauty of Christmas tree, we hope our guests can be creating a feel-good, heartwarming, and truly memorable moment here at Parking by Radisson. As you enjoy this cozy festive evening, we invite you to share the sparkle of joy and the spirit giving to the children. This year, Parking by Radisson is humbled to collaborate with the Christina Foundation for Special Children Incorporated. Through this meaningful partnership, we are proud to launch the second year, the June-long for a cause benefiting the children of the Christina Foundation. We truly hope that you will support this initiative, as your contribution will bring a warm smile and joyful to these children. May this holiday bring stories that we share tonight and that will keep us forever in our minds. As the festivities continue tonight, please enjoy yourselves, and thank you again for your unwavering support for Parking Davao. Daghan salamat, and let us be a splendid evening.
Tonight, we are ecstatic to be back again as we usher in the Christmas season. Notwithstanding natural calamities, it has been a terrific year. For this, we would like to thank the local government, the media, and all our guests who have been who have made Parking by Radisson Davao their home here in Davao City. Most especially, I would like to give credit to the Parking by Radisson Davao team, headed by GM Sven, for a job well done. As we celebrate tonight, let us not forget to share our blessings with others who need it more than we do. With your generosity, Christmas comes early as well to the beneficiaries of Christina Foundation for Special Children, the hotel's chosen charity partner for this year. Also, our thoughts and prayers remain with our brothers and sisters in Central and Western Visayas, who have been greatly affected by the recent calamities in these regions. A special shout out goes out as well to our SMHCC colleagues in these destinations. Their show of courage and strength in the face of adversity is admirable and would surely fill us with pride. As the holiday season ushers in better days ahead, we are encouraged to continue hoping and believing. We may have had our share of pains and losses, but we can certainly look forward to more gains and graces. So again, on behalf of our President, Ms. Elizabeth C., and our Executive Vice President, Ms. Peggy Agnes, as well as the rest of our SMHCC colleagues and Parking by Davao colleagues, I wish you and your families a hope-filled Christmas and a joyful New Year.
This Christmas season, it's again a time to reflect and a reminder for all of us of its true meaning. Of course, the humble birth of our Christ, along with the gift of hope that He brings. And as we welcome this season, let us embrace the spirit of kindness, generosity, and unity. And of course, we hold in our prayers all those affected by the recent calamities in our country. May they find strength, comfort, and renewed hope through the support and love of their communities. And may the light of Christmas shine upon us all and guide us toward peace and healing. And of course, the Department of Tourism, 11, extends its heartfelt appreciation for making us a part of this wonderful celebration. We are grateful for our partner, Parkil, by Radisson, who stood as one of our steadfast partners in shaping and strengthening Davao's tourism industry. We share the same excitement and optimism for our exciting journeys ahead. So let us embrace the heartwarming spirit of this Christmas season, and together, let us look forward to a future filled with opportunities. Happy holidays, everyone.
The city government of Davao extends its warm holiday greetings to the management and staff of Park Inn by Radisson, Davao on your Christmas tree lighting ceremony themed Twilight Frost at Crystal Soiree. The lighting of Christmas trees represents more than just the start of the festive season of Christmas. It also serves as a beacon of hope, unity, and the warmth of the holiday spirit that radiates all throughout our community. Just as each light on the tree glows with the promise of a brighter future, so too does our hope for the continued success of Park Inn in delivering exceptional services to the Moveños and visitors alike. We appreciate your contribution to the success and growth of our economy by providing excellent service and creating memorable experiences for your guests throughout the years. As we celebrate this season of Thanksgiving, this is an opportune time to extend your gratitude to one another. In commendation to the collective efforts of the people behind the success of Park Inn, and reflect on the importance of working together for the common goal of bringing quality service to the people. Together, let us keep the light of Christmas burning brightly, a light that reflects the faith and strength of the people of Davao and our shared commitment to building a city that truly embodies peace, joy, and generosity. Daghang salamat o malipayong Pasko kanatong tanan.
3, 2, 1!
One more. One.
However, I would like to take this opportunity to thank, on behalf of Christina Foundation for Persons with Down Syndrome, thank you, Park Inn by Radisson, for choosing Christina Foundation to be the sole beneficiary for this year's Black Paper cause. Thank you so much. You have seen in the video that we have quite a lot of activities every month. We do provide activities not only for our members with Down syndrome, but to the parents as well and their caregivers. Our only hope as an organization is, please be a friend. Help us take a stand against the ignorance and the waste of human potential. Lend a hand and help us fight for the rights of people with Down syndrome. Merry Christmas.
The lobby that only 650 pesos per order, again only available until January 6, 2026.